We staan hier op de stand van Hegel met Anders Echtzeit. Is that correct? All right. Whew, thank you. Er is een nieuwe Hegel uit. Het is ook weer een all-in-one product. Maar Anders knows a lot more about that. So this is actually a new Hegel. And the first thing you said, it's white.
It is absolutely white, except for the black spot in the middle.
There is a black display, yes, that's correct. But it is an all-in-one product.
It is an absolutely all-in-one product. It's an analog amplifier, of course, a classic analog amplifier, which steals technology from our reference amplifiers and includes modern functionality like Apple AirPlay, done better than Apple does it themselves, sound-wise. It's still certified by Apple as an AirPlay product. You got USB connectors, optical connectors, coaxial connectors, fully balanced analog connectors, home theater connections.
Yeah, that's a new thing. Room theater pass-through. Home theater, sorry. Home theater pass-through. You actually always implement that.
We do, and in the beginning we didn't think anybody would want to use it, but it turned out that a number of people used it. They bought a cheap, affordable home theater receiver, and then they wanted better sound when they played their music. And then they want an amplifier like this.
That's cool. So it streams wirelessly and with wire. It's got a...
With wire. And the reason it doesn't do wireless is quite simply because wireless distorts the sound. Adding an antenna, which is the reason we also don't do Bluetooth, adds a lot of noise into the circuitry. Also, the chances of dropouts is much bigger with wireless. So we stream with a wire, and then you can stream over UPnP, high-res materials, and Apple AirPlay is limited by the Apple AirPlay standard.
Good you say that wireless distorts the sound. So, viewers, always use a wire. Good point. And I see a Control 4 package aside from.
Yeah. A couple of months ago, or last year, we attended a seminar about future of technology, and the whole concept of IP control are going to change how we use many of the appliances in our homes. So we decided this is something we have to do. We have to be part of it. Control 4 is just one step in that direction, but Control 4 is now the market leader in home automation for consumers. And this new product is the first one of its kind as two-channel amplifier that has Control 4's own software included.
It's mostly AV products that do that.
Exactly, and that's been a problem for many custom integrators, that they cannot add good quality stereo sound because it's too difficult to control it properly.
Okay. So to wrap it up, the package, it's IP controlled.
Yep.
It's a stereo all-in-one with wired streaming. And a power amp, but you didn't mention how many watts.
It's 75 watts per channel into 8 ohms, which isn't that impressive. What is impressive is it's got a damping factor of 4,000, meaning I can use it together with pretty difficult speakers.
That's a lot of damping.
It is. And here we're playing it with KEF Reference 3 speakers, which are pretty tough, and it drives them with confidence.
Good. So it's actually, in watts, not that impressive, but it's got a high level of control over the speaker. And then, last but not least, the price.
€2,500 is the estimate, and it will be delivered late fall.
Dus, een witte Hegel, all-in-one, met een hele schappelijke prijs.